So, good morning, students. Let's continue with our lesson. Reach for the top. It is the life story of Santosh Yadav, the mountaineer who scaled Mountain Everest twice, not only once, but twice. So, come to the paragraph. Thereafter, Santosh went on an expedition every year. Her climbing skills matured rapidly. Also, she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and altitude. Equipped with an iron will, just remember what qualities a mountaineer must need. Iron will, mental toughness, and the strong physique. Mental toughness, she proved herself repeatedly. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992, just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. At barely 20 years of age, Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. Just imagine, if her climbing skills, physical fitness, and mental strength impressed her seniors, her concern for others and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the hearts of fellow climbers. Okay? Now, what happened? Santosh Yadav started going for expeditions every year, and then gradually her climbing skills it started becoming mature. धीरे धीरे उसकी climbing skills expert होने लगी वो उसमें. She also developed, and she developed, when a person climbs a mountain, he must have a physical toughness, mental toughness. It is not very easy to climb snowy mountains where the temperature remains in minus degrees, isn't it? So she developed all her skills. She was already equipped with an iron will, physical endurance, and mental toughness. All these qualities are required for a mountaineer. Then she proved herself. Okay? Her hard work came into recognition in 1992, just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. Earlier, she asked only Aravalli mountaineers, the hills which are surrounding the city of Jaipur, but her determination, her willpower, her physical and mental toughness all came into result in 1992. She had asked the mountaineers of Aravalli if she could join them. And after 20 years of, at barely age of 20 years, she was only 20 years old when she got the chance to the expedition to Mount Everest. She scaled Mount Everest and became the youngest woman, youngest girl to achieve the success. Isn't it? She is the youngest one
Yes,
to
ma'am.
achieve the success. Then the qualities which helped her a lot, these were physical fitness, mental strength, and strong, or you can say iron willpower. Apart from it, she also had certain other qualities like working in a team, togetherness, the feeling of togetherness, and helping the fellow climbers. During the 1992 Everest mission, you must write the meaning, culmination, CULMI, NATIO. Write its meaning. Culmination. Then, during 92 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Col. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. However, she managed to save other climber, Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. Just think, this is a conditional sentence. 1992 एवरेस्ट मिशन में संतोष यादव ने अपने पार्टनर एक जो दूसरे क्लाइंबर थे उनको हेल्प कराई, बट शी कुड नॉट save his life. She could not save his life, but she saved the life of another climber, Mohan Singh, who would have made the same fate. वो भी मर जाते. Same fate क्या था? जो एक और कलीग का उनका एक और fellow climber का हुआ. He would have also died if Santosh Yadav would not have shared her oxygen with him. See, actually, the mountaineering is difficult just because the very low level of oxygen. These climbers have to carry a number of equipments with them, along with their beds, a little bit, sometimes edible items as well. Though they carry a good amount of luggage with them, and carrying that amount of luggage, they have to climb up the mountains as well, isn't it? So climbing in the cold areas is very difficult, carrying their luggage with them. Fine. Within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition that invited her to join them. She then scaled the Everest a second time, thus setting a record as only woman to have scaled the Everest twice. The only woman to have scaled the Mount Everest twice and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of mountaineering. In recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors, the Padma Shri. Okay? Just after 12 months of her climb to Mount Everest, Santosh got an invitation from an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition. They invited her to join them, and she readily accepted the invitation. And when they scaled this Mount Everest twice, means it was the second attempt of Santosh Yadav only. So she brought laurels to our country and to her own, isn't it? She is actually the youngest girl to scale the Mount Everest. Then she is the only woman to climb Everest twice. And in recognition of her skills, the Indian government honored her with Padma Shri. Okay, bestowed upon means highest awards, means provided for the services, those who bring the laurels for the country, bestowed upon, मतलब बहुत सम्मान की बात है ये कि किसी को पद्मश्री मिले. Okay, describing her feelings when she was literally on the top of the world, Santosh has said, now just imagine the one who is at the top of Mount Everest, what he or she might be feeling. अपने पिछला, do you remember the 8th class chapter, 5th chapter of class 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. That's Lavina.
Ahluwalia.
Yes, Major HPS Ahluwalia. So what did he say? He said that all there was nothing else to go up. All the ways were leading him down. Okay. So she said it took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in. Then I unfurled the Indian tricolor and held it aloft on the roof of the world. The feeling is indescribable. It is अगर तुम भी वहां पहुंचोगे तो क्या होगा? Undescribable. The Indian flag was flying on the top of the world. It was truly a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian. Also, a fervent environmentalist, Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. Just imagine how much concern she is that she collected that much amount of garbage while she was returning from the mountains, from the Himalayas, from Everest. So it was a moment, proud moment for everyone, anyone, and especially for Santosh when she was unfurling the tricolor over the mountain peak. So it is, these are the feelings which cannot be expressed in few words. When someone is standing at the top of the world, only a few words cannot describe the feelings, isn't it? So